In this video, I'm going to show you how to change page colors in Microsoft Edge in just a few simple steps. If you spend a lot of time browsing, this is a quick way to make pages feel a little easier on the eyes and customize your browsing experience. It only takes a moment, and once you know where the setting is, you can change it anytime you want. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots menu. This opens the main menu where all of your browser settings are stored. From that menu, click Settings. This will take you to the Edge settings page, where you can control the look and behavior of your browser. On the left-hand side, click Appearance. The Appearance section is where you can adjust different visual options, including themes, toolbar settings, and page color. Now look for the page color option. You'll see a drop-down menu next to it, so click that drop-down to view the available choices. Microsoft Edge usually gives you a few different page color options, so go ahead and choose the one you prefer. Once you select it, the page appearance will update right away, and you can instantly see how it looks while browsing. If the color feels too bright or too dark, simply go back into the same drop-down and try a different option until you find the one that feels right for you. That's all there is to it. You've now changed the page color in Edge, and you can repeat these steps anytime you want to switch it again. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.